Welcome to the Zeeman Automated Steel Beam Assembly Factory. In this video, we'll be showing you a common setup that can complete an 8-hour shift worth of beam assembly with just one technician. Step 1. Scan add-on parts into the system. The SPS verifies the parts for every beam assembly job and sorts them for delivery to the steel beam assembler. It can also store them for later. Step 2. The SPP is like an autonomous forklift. It carries loads up to 1,000 kilograms from point to point in the factory, avoiding obstacles and keeping your employees safe. In this case, he delivers parts to the steel beam assembler's parts table. Here at the infeed, we have multiple jobs lined up on automatic cross conveyors, enough for a full shift without needing to forklift or crane in more beams. Each beam is automatically straightened and fed into the turners where it is then assembled. All parts are laser scanned and verified to make sure every piece for the job is correct, and so the handler robot knows where to find the pieces it needs as each new job is started. Here we see a part being brought by the handling robot for tack welding. First, the welding tower robot measures with its lasers, then it tack welds. The welding tower robot moves into position for the next tack and measures the location to tell the handling robot exactly where to place the add-on part. Lastly, the welding tower robot does the final welding. Now the turners rotate the beam for extraction and carry it on their rails to the outfeed. The beam extractor carries the finished beam to the outfeed system, which can hold and organize multiple completed jobs. As the finished beam is lowered to the outfeed, the turners return to their start position to begin the next job. The outfeed organizes itself in preparation for the next job. The system knows how to place the job to avoid damaging add-on parts during extraction.